Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Practice US. This is where we make learning English easy and fun. I'm Paul.
And hello to all our wonderful listeners. I'm Emily. Today, we are going to talk about feelings. We experience so many emotions every single day, don't we? It's a natural part of life, and expressing them is so important.
Absolutely. Often we just say, I'm good or I'm okay. But there are so many more ways to say how we feel, which makes our conversations much more real and vibrant.
Exactly. Let's start with a positive feeling, happy. Paul, what's something that makes you happy?
For me, waking up to a beautiful sunny day makes me happy. Or getting a nice message from a friend, just a simple, how are you? It always makes me smile. And finishing all my work for the day, that feeling of, okay, I am done, is fantastic. You feel light and free.
I know that feeling. For me, my cat makes me happy when she does funny things. It just makes me laugh. Pets are the best for that.
They truly are. But we're not always happy, right? So what about sadness? What makes you feel sad, Emily?
For me, I feel sad when I miss my family. They live in a different city, so sometimes I just miss talking with them. Also, if I make plans with a friend and they have to cancel, it's a little disappointing.
I completely understand that. Missing people you love is a real reason to feel sad. It's a normal part of life. For me, I feel sad when a friend is sick or has a problem. You care about them and you want them to be okay.
Yes, exactly. Okay, let's talk about another very common feeling, especially after a long day.
You must mean tired. I think we all know this feeling very well. For me, that 6 a.m. alarm is not a happy sound. Waking up very early for a meeting makes me tired for the whole day.
Oh, yes, I definitely do. And when you read and read for a long time, your brain says, okay, stop now. It's a different kind of tired, a mental tired.
Yes, very interesting. So there's physical tired and mental tired. All right, what about when you haven't had lunch around 1 p.m.?
I know that one very well. That is hungry. Yes, I get very hungry if I don't have breakfast. My stomach starts making noises.
Mine too. It's not a good feeling to be very hungry. Makes it hard to think. I usually want a big bowl of pasta when I'm really hungry, something warm and good.
That sounds delicious. And what's the feeling when your mouth is dry and you need a drink?
That is thirsty. After exercise, I am always very thirsty, or just on a very hot day. It's easy to feel thirsty.
It is. It's your body telling you, hey, I need water. It's important to listen. Okay, we have some good basic feelings. What about a stronger one, like when you miss the bus?
Oh, I feel angry, or maybe frustrated.
Yes, angry is a good word for it. It's a hot, strong feeling.
It is. I feel angry when things don't work. Like my computer is very, very slow and I have a lot of work to do.
Ugh, that is the worst. You click and you wait and wait. It makes me feel very impatient and a little angry.
Me too. Or when I'm explaining something and the other person is not listening, they're looking at their phone.
Oh, that makes me feel angry too. It feels rude.
It does. So angry is another one of those feelings that happens to everyone for sure. Now let's talk about a fun one. The feeling you have before a vacation or before the weekend.
Oh, that's a great feeling. It's excited. Yes, I love feeling excited. This Friday, a good friend is coming to visit me. I am so excited.
That's wonderful. See, that's a perfect reason. You have a fun plan, so you feel excited. I get excited when I'm going to try a new restaurant.
Ooh, me too. You look at the menu online and think about all the good food.
Yes, I do. Exactly that. It's a very happy, energetic feeling. You feel like you can't wait.
Is it Friday yet? That's the feeling.
That's it. It's a very positive, forward-looking feeling. I like it a lot.
Me too. Now, what about a feeling that is not so positive? Like when you hear a loud thunderstorm at night.
For that, I would feel scared.
Yes, scared. A sudden loud noise can make you feel scared. Your heart beats fast.
It does. Or, for example, if you're walking and a big dog starts running toward you, even if it's friendly, for 1 second, you feel scared.
That's a great example. you don't know what will happen, that feeling of, oh no, is being scared.
Right. It's a feeling that tells our body to be careful, to pay attention.
That's a good way to look at it. Okay, here's the situation. You're at the doctor's office. You are waiting and waiting and waiting. How do you feel?
I feel bored. So bored.
Yes, waiting with nothing to do is the definition of bored. It makes the time feel so slow.
Oh, yes, a repetitive task. Your mind just goes to sleep. So what do you do when you're bored?
I try to listen to a podcast like this one, or I call my mom.
Good ideas. I try to read a book on my phone. Anything to make my brain busy again.
Exactly. Okay, one more. What is the feeling when you see a friend in the supermarket and you didn't know they were in town?
Oh, I feel surprised.
Yes. Wow, Paul, what are you doing here? That feeling.
It's a great feeling, a happy surprise. You feel your eyes get wide?
Yes. I also feel surprised when someone gives me a compliment I don't expect. Like, I really like your shirt.
Aw, that's a nice surprise. It can make your whole day better.
It can. A surprise is just something you don't expect. It can be big or small.
That's the key, the unexpected. Wow, Emily, this is a fantastic list of feelings.
It is. And the reasons are all from normal, everyday life.
They are, and this is so helpful. Now our listeners can say more than, I'm fine, thanks.
I hope so. They can say, I'm a little tired today, or I'm excited for the weekend. It makes conversations much more interesting and real.
You connect with people, you really do. And it's good to remember all these feelings are normal. Nobody is happy all the time.
That is the most important thing to remember. It's okay to have a day where you feel sad or angry or bored.
Exactly. And the next day, you can feel happy or excited. Feelings change, just like the weather.
Perfect analogy. So, Emily, how are you feeling right now after our great conversation?
I feel great. I'm happy we talked about this, and I'm excited for our listeners to use these new words.
Me too. I think this was a wonderful chat. And it seems we're at the end of our episode.
I think we are. Time goes fast when you're having fun.
It does. So to all our listeners, we have a question for you.
Yes, we do. Please write to us in the comments section. Tell us, how are you feeling today?
You can choose any feeling we talked about. I feel happy, I am tired, I am bored. We want to hear from you. We really do.
And if you found this episode helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to English Practice US.
And don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you all so much for being here with us.
Yes, thank you for listening. Keep practicing, and we will talk to you next time.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.